What is going on, beautiful people? I am Lee Hammock, the diagnosed self-aware narcissist known as mental healers, and welcome to another episode of A Narcissist Explains. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about your first holiday season, your first new year free from your toxic narcissistic relationship dynamic. Stay tuned, like and subscribe. So this might be your first holiday season away from your toxic ex-partner or whatever, away from your toxic family and friends and things like that. And for me, I think there's a couple of different ways you can handle this. Way number one is saying like, this is my first Christmas by myself. I'm so alone. Like, I wish I had someone here. Oh my goodness. You can consistently beat yourself up all day today, all next week and things like that. And you can bring in the new year sad as hell and by yourself. Or you can reframe your experience. Hey, this is my first holiday by myself. I made it. I'm free. I'm strong. I can do it by myself. I don't need the validation from anyone else. I don't need the approval of anyone else. I can do what I want today. One of those ways empowers you. The other way strips the power away from you. The words you use have a tremendous effect on how you think and how you behave and how you act and things like that, y'all. So it's either I'm alone for the holidays or I'm alone for the holidays. Which one gives you more power? First day out, first year out, first holiday season free. How do you feel, y'all? How do you feel? Are you sad? I know there's the roller coaster ride, y'all. There's a roller coaster. This is welcome to your first roller coaster of 2023, y'all. But seriously, it's a roller coaster of emotions. And you saw in my short video, how are you going to take it? How are you going to approach this year being your first year of freedom? If you choose this to be your first year of freedom, because some people will go back. Y'all make a New Year's resolution to be free, stay out of that toxic relationship, and then somehow you get hoovered back in. You might go back on your own. I missed them, so I reached out to them, and now I'm sad again. I'm just telling you, how are you going to live this year right here, y'all? Because I know this is a highly emotional time. Making a New Year's resolution to cut a toxic person out of your life that's possibly been in your life for 10, 15, 20 years. It might be your mama, your daddy. It might be your grandparents. It might be your cousin. It might be your brother or sister. Yeah, if you're making the decision to cut somebody out of your life forever, this is a huge decision, y'all. So how are you going to feel? You mean, I'm alone on New Year's Day. Or, wow, I'm alone on New Year's Day. Those two different energies, y'all. The words you use, you can say the same thing and have different impacts on yourself. I'm just so tired of going to. I got to go to sleep by myself tonight. Or I get to go to sleep by myself tonight. I ain't got to worry about getting woke up in the middle of the night, fussed at and fought with. I ain't got to worry about them coming home in the middle of the night drunk and cheating. I ain't got to. I don't have to worry about that type of stuff anymore. How are you going to view this first season of freedom? This might not be, even if this is not your first season of freedom. How are you going to view? Are you going to keep going forward, or are you going to let your emotional state deteriorate to the point where you want to reach out to them, or the point where you answer one of those emails, or the point where you look inside your junk folder and respond to a message because you're sad and lonely? You know what I mean? How are you going to approach this year? Because this could be the most empowering year of your life, or it could be just to be another normal year another year in the throes of a toxic relationship. Because I'm telling y'all from right now, at this point right now, this January 2023. January 2028, you're going to wish you were a little bit stronger this year, 5 years from now. If you keep going back into this toxic relationship, let this be the end, y'all. I'm just keep telling y'all. Like, me personally, I'm going to this year with my head on strong. Like, resist the hoovering attempts, y'all. New year, new us. Please let me come back to you. Please talk to me again. Please, if you give me another chance, I promise I'll change. This is going to be a better year. I've had so much time to reflect on how badly I treated you, and I just want another chance to prove that I can be the person that you need in your life. Please don't leave me in 2022. Please, it's cold back. It's lonely in 2022. It's dark back here. Take me to the light of 2023. And y'all will fall for it. You take them to 2023 and darken your 2023. You left the darkness, the toxicity in 2022. So guess what happens? If you reach back into 2022 and bring that darkness into 2023, you just darkened your whole damn year. Start the year off on a good foot, y'all. You have to be a little bit stronger. You have to want the strength. That's why I tell people you have to want it. You need it. This is one of the things that you absolutely need, y'all. You need the strength. You want it. You need it. You need to continue to have it. You have to empower yourself, because if you don't empower yourself, good luck, y'all. Good luck. Because this is gonna be a rough, bumpy ass year for you, because you have to be strong enough, y'all. Journal, write stuff down. Tell yourself what are you thankful for this year? How you feeling this year? I know you might be sad. I know you might be alone. I know you might be, whatever the situation is. This year is going to be it has the potential to be the best year, most free, most powerful. Go do something for yourself. You get to relearn you. Yeah, that's nervous. That's nerve. You be nervously excited. You be anxious. You get to relearn who you are, getting out of that toxic relationship. You can. You do. I know it can be depressing. It can be sad as hell, but you get to relearn you. You get to repower you get to empower yourself to continue going forward, to be as strong as you possibly can. New year, new you. New year, less toxic relationship. You know what I mean? You have to be able to do that, because or you can continue to ride the roller coaster until the roller coaster crashes and you be sad as hell and then left desolate. You can choose to leave on your own accord, or you can get pushed out the front door. You know what I mean? You can ride the roller coaster to the end, or you can hop off. The choice is y'all. The choice is yours. Sorry, y'all, my battery died. But yeah, this has the potential to be the best year of your life if you allow it to be. You know what I mean? Yes, it's tough. Write down when you want to call that person, when you want to reach out to that toxic person, when you want to respond to their emails or their phone calls or their text messages or their dating apps or however they're trying to hoover you or harass you or stalk you. When you want to respond to that, write down all the horrible things that they did to you and read that stuff before you respond to them. Read that horrible stuff that they did to you. Read it. Oh, Lee, I don't want to read it. It's embarrassing. Exactly. I don't want to write it down because it's embarrassing. Exactly. Write the stuff down. It hurts to write it down. It hurts to realize what you've been through in some of these toxic relationships. Write that stuff down. Write it down. I think somebody told me Dr. Romney calls it an ick list. Write down your ick list. Icky. It's icky. It's nasty. It's stinky. It's dirty. Write down your icks to keep you out of this toxic relationship. Write down your icks. Before you pick up that phone call, read that ick. Read that ick list. Cheated on me, beat me up, left me for, try to unalive me, put their hands around my throat, embarrassed me in front of the kids, threw me on the floor in front of the kids, called me names in front of the kids. It's all the mean stuff, all the horrible stuff that they did to you. Don't write down the good stuff. I know y'all was like, well, I got to write down the good stuff to equal it out. No, the hell you don't. Are you trying to talk yourself into reaching out to them, into giving them another chance? Don't bring the darkness into 2023, y'all. You have to leave it there. You have to, or I'm telling you have to, but again, y'all are adults. So this year, my therapist said, hey, Lee, you can't save them all. So I'm not talking to all of y'all anymore. I'm talking to the ones who want to be saved. Because you can't save them all. If you want to be saved, you want to have an empowering, strong ass year, write down your ick list. You have to choose that. I can't just like me, how I want people to win, I can't want you to win more than you want yourself to win. I can't want better for you than you want for yourself. You have to put the actions in, or you'll drain me. You'll drain your friend group. You'll drain your support system, because they can't want your freedom and your strength and your empowerment more than you want it for yourself. You see what I'm saying? You have to want it for you more than that. Go do something for yourself. What have you done for yourself lately? Just by yourself. Don't call your friends. By yourself. What have you done for you by yourself lately? I know you might have kids. Figure it out. Do something for you. It doesn't have to be going to the beach by yourself. It can be doing reading, 15 minutes of reading, something by yourself for yourself, y'all. This has the potential to be the most impactful year of your life. But anyways, y'all, let me cut this thing short. This is gonna be the most beautiful, strong year of your life. Like and subscribe for more. And as always, mental illness is out. Peace. Oh yeah, Trauma Bond Recovery Journal, Amazon. Peace.